Alright, so I got two snowmobiles here. You've seen them. They're basically identical aside from the color and a few other things. But this one I've had problems with ever since I bought it. If you've watched any video, you've heard me say, yep, floods, yep, boggy, yep, not working right, oh, better, oh, no, not better. And I'm sick and tired of it, so what I did this morning, I took both secondary clutches off, took them all apart, reset the springs to where they should be, cleaned everything, and now they function, and they're both the exact same setting. So I'm confident to say it's not the secondary clutch. Warm day, minus 30, gonna switch carbs, and I'll see what happens, I guess. Pretty convenient when you got two snowmobiles. You can just swap parts until it works, and then you know what's wrong, I guess. I've been fighting with this one ever since I bought it, like, non-stop. And posting online's no help. Like, you can't blame the people, but they're not here to see what it's actually doing, and none of them actually read your questions, and so that's kind of a lost cause. I don't have any friends that have the same, well, A, I don't have any friends. B, if I did, they probably wouldn't have these snowmobiles. They can't help. So, I don't know. And I am leaving the same, like, throttle plunger or whatever, so I guess if that was the problem, it might follow when I switch carbs, but I don't see how that could be the issue. I'm not switching the whole throttle system, just, well, I say that now, maybe I will. When this doesn't work, I should know relatively soon, like instantly. So there's those. Yeah, I am so tired of this. The other snowmobile, like it's non-stop. Every time I take it out. And I feel like I've done everything aside from all the, you know, I didn't replace the stator yet, or the CDI, or any of the other things it could be, but I've done all the easy stuff. I have a bunch of primary clutch pullers, but I don't have one for these, for whatever reason, so I won't be taking those off today. Now when I switch all these parts, this way here, I just won't have any snowmobiles that work. Okay. In my head, I'm already thinking this isn't gonna work, which I shouldn't, but the way it's been going, I'm not really hopeful. We're about 2 minutes from finding out. I'll even use the other air box, why not? I can see if she'll at least start. I'm not gonna jinx it, but it does sound better. Alright. Let's give her a try. Oh. Fixed, I'm just not sure why. Like it's secondary in the car. So. Anyway. Alright, here's the problem. It's fixed, but I don't know why it's fixed. because I did the carb swap, changed the clicker setting, cleaned the secondary clutch. So that's why you do things one at a time and not like me. Alright, so I got the carbs from that put on this. And I got the air box from that one on this one. And the secondary clutch is cleaned and set exactly like this one. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so last night got the carbs swapped over from that one to that one. And all I did is I replaced the needle and seat, which were brand new. But I'm wondering if that was what was giving me my issue. So this is the needle and seat that I've been using this season in the purple one that's been giving me all the trouble. This is the needle that was in it. And it's got like the plastic tip. I don't know what it's actually called, but the one that's supposed to be in there originally, it's all metal. Everything's clean and everything, but I guess, I mean, I overlooked it because they're brand new, so I just assumed, well, I rebuilt the carburetor, so can't be those. I haven't test drove it yet, but I readjusted the float height, put the old needle and seats in because they were never a problem. I just rebuilt the carbs just because I thought it's what I should do. But to find out if that actually made a difference or if I'm back where I started. So we'll get it outside and see how it goes. And I haven't started it since I did the carb, so I'm not expecting it to start first pull, but once it starts, well, let's hope for the best here. Alright, I think it's fixed. There's something going on with the belt or the track, like I can feel like a little vibration pulling away, but power wise, like from a standstill, the problem I've been having I think's gone. I don't think it's perfect, but it's at least rideable now, and I don't think it's gonna flood every time you pull it over. So I think we actually made progress for the first time. That's good. The track on this one's noticeably less aggressive than the other one. Like you hammer on this one, you just spin the track. The other one would actually grab and kind of take off. But aside from that, I think she's good to go. All right, we'll see you on the next video. Later.